Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Billy Lyons, and I'm the director of the nursing program for Mount San Antonio College. And I'd like to welcome you to the pinning ceremony for the class of fall 2019. This pinning ceremony represents the transition for each and every one of these students from one of the best nursing programs in the state into one of the most respected professions in the world. The profession of nursing. So I'd like to present to you your Master of Ceremonies, Dr. Roger, no, just kidding. Dr. Oscar Romero.
Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the 2019 Mount San Antonio College Associate Degree of Nursing pinning completion ceremony. Congratulations. My name is Oscar Romero, and I am very honored to be chosen by the students as their Master of Ceremonies. Thank you for choosing me. At this time, I'd like to ask everyone to please stand and face the flag for the singing of our national anthem. It's on this side over here. It will be sung by students Monique Palad, Cristel Narvasa, and Melissa Gonzalez. Come on up.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free, in the hope of the
That was beautiful. Thank you. I'd like to recognize some members of our trustees of Mount San Antonio College. We have the honor of having Mr. Gary Chow here. Thank you. And Trustee Laura Santos. And we have our Dean of Technology Division, Sam Agdazi, and Professor John Dior, and Professor Michelle Boyer, and Professor Jacqueline Ontiveros, and Professor Kari Burke, and Professor Billy Lines, and Professor Tony Macareg, and Professor Arlene Fiorito, and Professor Jamie Hooper, and we have a clinical teaching assistant, Amber Brown, and teaching assistant, Kelly Montessori? No? Monterini. Sorry about that. And we have our person who really glues us all together. Thank you very much, Maria Torres. Thank you. She does it all. She's all our mother. She takes care of us. Thank you, Mother Maria. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of celebration. Congratulations. Woo! Congratulations, students and soon-to-be graduates. Congratulations. You deserve a lot of congratulations. I'm going to say congratulations many times. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations for graduating from Mt San Antonio College, the best college in the world. And congratulations for completing the nursing program, the most wonderful, beautiful, challenging program in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, do you realize how many thousands of hours these students have spent studying, researching, collaborating, the hundreds of hours they spent in the hospital taking care of sick people, the hundreds of hours in the classroom, in the laboratory, learning about our profession? They did it. They completed it. Congratulations. Woo! Congratulations. Our nursing program is unlike any other training in the world. We believe in this old saying that goes like this: tell me and I might forget. Show me and I might remember. Involve me and I will learn. And that's what we've done for our students. We've involved them in their learning and they have learned. That's what they've done. Congratulations again. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I'd like to introduce our faculty speaker. It is Professor Tony Macareg. Let's have him feel at home. Is Tony Macareg next? Oh, the student speaker was next. Sorry. Okay, we'll listen to him later. Okay. Our student speaker is Stephanie Edwards. Woo! Stephanie Edwards.
Okay. I actually am pretty thankful I brought my speech with me because I memorized it, but now that everybody is sitting in front of me today, I forgot it. So just bear with me. I'll kind of be looking up and down and go from there. Professor, or can you see me? Okay. All right. So first I want to just say hello to everyone and thank you again for attending the Mount San Antonio College 2019 ADN pinning ceremony. I would like to give thanks to everyone here in attendance, to our family and friends. You have somehow contributed to our success. You may not know it, but you did. Whether it was taking on the responsibilities of maintaining the household full-time, putting gas into our cars, telling us good job, or even I'm so proud of you, and letting us practice our head-to-toe assessments until we knew we were competent enough to go and do them on real patients in the hospital. It all helped. Support systems are important when going through such a rigorous and demanding program. I'm super shaky right now, sorry. Therefore, it has been a very much an appreciated thing that you have all done for us, and we are forever grateful. Thank you for sticking by our side through these years, encouraging us to stand strong and reach our goal. A very special thank you to my wonderful children. Just a few more months of DoorDash because, I still have to study for the NCLEX, but we'll get there. I also want to thank my mom from the bottom of my heart. She has literally given my kids her undivided attention for 2 whole years. She's the best grandmother ever, and I'm so thankful for her. Will, he's not in attendance with us today, but I know he could see me on YouTube. Thank you so much for being my #1 supporter. Even when I was going through my prerequisites, he was there for me, cheering me on, and he's just been one of my biggest supporters, and I'm forever grateful for him in my life. I love you guys. To our wonderful faculty, thank you so much for giving us the foundation we need to become a nurse. I can honestly say we were taught by the best. I'm always so proud to say that I attend Mt SAC's nursing program, and I say that with pride every single day, every given opportunity. We aspire to be great nurses like you all, and we hope to one day obtain the knowledge and wisdom you hold. Thank you for being present and readily available throughout these past 2 years. Your hard work in helping us prepare for our career doesn't go unnoticed. It's been a very long journey for us to get to where we are here today. So let's embrace this moment and do what we were taught, what would be most important for us in our nursing careers. And that would be, if it wasn't documented, it wasn't done. Therefore, my fellow classmates, let's document. For various reasons, we all stepped out of our comfort zones in life to embark on this journey of becoming a nurse. After 408 hours of theory, 1,134 hours of clinical, and 44 quizzes, along with 17 exams between our midterms and finals, we did it. Oh, wait, let's not forget the infamous care plans. I didn't want to put a number there because it just depended on how much your care plan needed to be revised. When you hear those numbers, let's take note that literal tears went along with it. Yes, we still have to sit for our licensure board exam, but we have completed the requirements thus far to do so. I remember when we all met. Lifelong bonds began without us even knowing it. From our very first days of taking an apical pulse for 1 full minute, don't forget that, 1 full minute, and learning to create a nursing diagnosis in groups with Professor Birch. By the way, Professor Birch, thank you so much for dealing with us through that time so gracefully, although we probably gave you a headache trying to give you a risk 4 as manifested by. Together, we completed our very first nursing school exam, and we were introduced to the very infamous Select All That Apply. Then, there were those little lovely births during our maternity rotation. Professor Condra told us from the start that we'd love it, and we sure did, especially the guys. I honestly can say that I think a few of you told me you were ready to have kids after that, so wives, and talk to your husbands. Regardless of where we went or how hard things became, on this journey, I can truly say we all did it together, and we did our best to hold each other up, from bringing in Starbucks for each other to prepare for our long lecture days and study sessions that literally went on almost every day of the week. We stayed strong together. As we all know, life in nursing school gets tough, and I believe that's when our true desire on how badly we want to become a nurse is tested. Sorry, guys. Okay. My family experienced an unthinkable tragedy in my first semester, and I remembered I didn't know what to do. Should I stop here? Do I take a break and try another semester? I really wasn't sure. Many doubts came before me, yet one of my greatest support systems was my classmates that actually endured every emotion I had experienced. I remember I had to retake a dosage calc exam the next morning. I left the hospital really late, early morning, and to be honest, I know that I myself had already given up, but somehow I passed that exam. Then, days before my PEDS final, my family was hit again with another tragedy, the loss of my father. I have never experienced such pain and sorrow. I hit one of my darkest moments in my life trying to keep it all together. This time, it felt like an out-of-body experience. I knew I had an exam the next day, a final exam at that, but I struggled with one question, and that was, is it selfish for me to continue? Everyone around me that loved me most reminded me that my dad would never have allowed me to give up. With all that was going on, several of you reached out to me in the halls via phone call, text, and even including our dear professors, gave me words of encouragement and were simply just there for me, even if it was just to listen to me cry. The compassion I received from my classmates and professor will always be remembered. Many of us have had heartbreaking moments through this program, and it literally took every bit of our strength to keep it together so that we could perform well and take care of others. And we did just that. We persevered. So with us knowing that life continues to happen regardless of what we're doing and what it is that we're trying to accomplish, let's hold our heads high and face each day or obstacle one by one, because we can do it. And today is a living testimony of that. We must know and have confidence that without a doubt, we were made for this, and we will enter this profession with the eagerness to learn and pure compassion toward our patients. As I close, let's acknowledge the sense of joy, pride, and accomplishment, and allow this feeling to motivate you to move into your next goal. May we remain humble, and let us never forget that we represent a profession that is caring and unbiased, and we must promise to conduct ourselves in such a way that our character and work ethic can never be questioned. Wishing you all the best that lies ahead, and I'm more than grateful to have gone through this life-changing journey with such amazing classmates. You are all truly remarkable. Good luck to you all, class, and congratulations, we did it.
Thank you, Stephanie. That was beautiful. That came from the heart. Thank you, Stephanie, for sharing with us. Our graduates are the best, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations again. You're the best. Well, now I would like to introduce our faculty speaker, Professor Tony Macareg.
Good afternoon, our future nurses, my colleagues to be. Kudos to all of you, and I can only imagine what is in your minds right now. You know how transparent I am, but I am going to filter everything I am going to say for the sake of my peers. As I look around in this room, I not only see each one of you, but I also see the people who loves you, care, and supported you throughout this 2 years of rigorous program. First and foremost, I want to thank your family for putting up with all of you all those times when you were busy writing care plans, as Stephanie mentioned, preparing for presentation, and studying for those dreaded exams. Your loved ones have been the foundation of your success, and a reminder that without them, you will not be sitting here at all. I want you, future nurses, students, stand up right now and face your loved ones in front of you. And I want you to applaud all of them, grandparents, your siblings, your children, friends, and most of all, your significant others, because these people are the true rock stars of your lives. Thank you, graduates. My future nurses, we are here to celebrate you because you will continue to build upon the underlying principle of Florence Nightingale, who is the pioneer of modern nursing. Each one of you created a toolbox to prepare you from the reality of nursing. Inside that toolbox represents your indispensable qualities. First, the stethoscope. Your theory and clinical professors will tell you that it is an instrument, for listening to the action of someone's heart or breathing. Yes, I will agree. But truly, it symbolizes your ability to listen to your patient's stories in a way to get closer to their lives. Thermometer reflects how a patient's perceptions, emotions, and feelings can change, especially at the end of his or her life. The sphygmometer, or we call it the blood pressure monitor, represents your unique soul that can empower and impact a patient's decision making. And finally, the touch of your hand. It will create and nurture an intimate bond with your patient and family throughout a constant presence. Everything in that toolbox is significant in your journey to your career. You will take on different journey, whether it be trauma nursing, pediatrics, gerontology, or I'm hoping all of you will get into mental health nursing. You will make a difference in your patient's life. You will literally be their savior. I want you to realize that nursing is both a curse and a blessing because the good and the bad coexist. It is your perception that will make a difference. I guarantee you that sometimes you want to give up. I guarantee you that you will cry and laugh at the same time. I guarantee you that every time you step into that patient care area, your integrity, authenticity, and the love for nursing will be challenged. You must follow your heart because the heart is the true essence of nursing. I ask all of you to be genuine and always be transparent. Let me leave you an eloquent quote by Brené Brown. To love someone fiercely, to believe in something with your whole heart, to celebrate a fleeting moment in time, to fully engage in a life that doesn't come with guarantees. But you are learning, and that recognizing and leaning into the discomfort and vulnerability will teach you to live with joy, gratitude, and grace. Continue making each one of us, the faculty, proud. I love you, all of you.
Thank you, Professor Macareg. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Mount San Antonio College. We are very proud of our graduates. Congratulations again! Woo! I told you I would say congratulations many times. Congratulations. We are very proud of you. Today is truly a day of celebration, not just for the graduates and the students, but for all of you, everyone. It's your day today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Woo! The awarding of the pins to our students. The names will be called by Professor Birch and by Professor Ontiveros. The pins will be placed on the students by Professor Hooper. Very good. Come forward. Don't be shy. Come up. All right.
Taylor Thomas.
Mary Grace Doggle Doggle.
Kaylin Thompson.
Denise Ariano.
Maria Rodriguez.
Joel Cota.
Julia Appenhair.
Jericho Sajay.
Billy Joe Ferraris.
Zicheng Jason Guan.
Ronald Pham.
Nicole Villanueva.
Wendy O'Donnell.
Alex Boundley.
Nancy Martinez.
Patricia Villarreal.
Huyan Vu.
Omar D.
Christelle Narvasa.
It's okay. Catherine C. Hombing.
Cyrene Padama.
Lizette Magdaleno.
Patricia Estacion.
Congratulations, Pat! Time for the VSS!
Anna Varayo Bugyong.
Galvez. Christina Galvez.
Jennifer Alonzo.
Winnie Ha.
Vanessa Louis Reese.
Martín Solorio.
Jonathan Traylor.
Briseida Florencio.
Melissa Gonzalez.
Celeste Silva.
Miriam Montiel.
Brenda Howe.
I love you, Brenda! Love you too!
Kenya Castillo Palafox.
Monique Palad.
Complete my Bible!
Juan Eduardo Garcia. Eric Trung.
Kelly Lou.
Billy Hernandez.
Jeremy Ordonez Dizon.
Kerwin Balanci.
Danielle Bubello Galeazzi.
Jonathan J.J. Terrazas.
The beautiful Maria Zavala. That's a joke.
McCall Blocker.
No. Alexis Lexi Allen.
Kimberly Bergen.
Congratulations. That was beautiful. We are very, very proud of you. Congratulations. You deserve it. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. We still have one more thing to do. We have the Florence Nightingale Pledge. Florence Nightingale, the founder of our profession. I'd like to call forward Professor Boyer, please. She will be assisted by Alexis Lexi Allen and Vanessa Louis Reese.
Florence Nightingale is known to be the lady with the lamp. When she worked with the wounded in the Crimean War, she actually went out on the battlefield with a lamp searching for the soldiers. And when she found a wounded soldier, soldiers would often say that she was an angel of mercy. In the tradition of Florence Nightingale, we have a candle lighting ceremony. The lighting ceremony represents the passage of knowledge from experienced nurses to novice nurses. So our ladies are going to light their lamps as we are now ceremoniously passing on knowledge from people with expertise to our novices. At this time, I would like all the graduates to please stand as we're going to be saying the nursing pledge. If there's anybody in the audience that is an RN and would like to stand and complete the pledge with us, you're more than welcome. The pledge can be found in your program. So if you guys would just please repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession. And will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all my family affairs coming to my knowledge. In the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his or her work. And devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Congratulations. Mr. Romero?
Well said, Professor Boyer, well said. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is about it. Can you believe it? Congratulations again! Woo! You have permission to celebrate today. Go and celebrate. Do it, just celebrate. This is your day. Mount San Antonio College is very proud of all of you. You've done a wonderful job. Our blessings to you. Congratulations. We'll never forget you. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to go out into the lobby with the graduates, friends and family. Go out to the lobby for a small reception. And God bless you and take care. Goodbye. This is the end of our ceremony. 2019 Associate Degree Nursing Program, Mount San Antonio College. Congratulations.
Yeah,
if you want, Tuesday. Tuesday.